Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0122 indicates a low voltage condition in the throttle position TP sensor A circuit within the Honda HRV models from 2016 to 2022. The TP sensor is crucial in determining the position of the throttle plate, which directly influences the air-fuel mixture in the engine for optimal performance. This sensor is usually located on the throttle body assembly, where it can accurately sense the position of the throttle plate as it opens and closes. The Engine Control Module, ECM, uses this data to adjust fuel injection and ignition timing accordingly. A low voltage condition can lead to erratic engine behavior, reduced performance, and even stalling in some cases. Therefore, understanding the source of this code is fundamental for ensuring the proper operation of the vehicle. The error associated with DTC P0122 revolves around low voltage from the throttle position TP sensor A circuit. The TP sensor is fundamentally responsible for relaying the throttle plate's position to the Engine Control Module, ECM. When the vehicle is turned on, this component sends signals that the ECM interprets to manage air-fuel ratios effectively. The TP sensor is usually found on the throttle body assembly, which is situated between the air intake system and the intake manifold of the engine. The Engine Control Module, communicating with the TP sensor data, plays a crucial role in the vehicle's overall adaptability and performance. A failure in reporting can induce varying performance issues, hence why diagnosing this sensor thoroughly is essential. The possible causes for DTC P0122 include a faulty throttle position sensor A, poor electrical connections, and wiring issues either externally or within the network itself. A defective TP sensor may fail to provide the necessary voltage signals, generating the low voltage code. Poor connections such as corrosion or loose terminals can impair signal integrity, leading to false readings. Additionally, wiring issues such as shorts or breaks can prevent proper signal transmission, resulting in the ECM receiving erroneous data. It is crucial to inspect these components methodically to ascertain the root cause of the problem. Often, troubleshooting may involve both checking the components and examining wiring integrity. Symptoms associated with DTC P0122 typically include erratic engine performance, reduced throttle response, and the illuminating of the check engine light. Drivers may experience unresponsive acceleration or delayed throttle responses when they press the accelerator pedal. Erratic performance can manifest as stalling, rough idling, or unusual engine behavior, particularly under load. The check engine light serves as an alert that the vehicle's diagnostic system has identified a problem, allowing for timely assessment. When these symptoms arise, they not only diminish the driver's experience, but may also contribute to potential safety hazards. Identifying this DTC early can prevent further complications and ensure the vehicle runs smoothly. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0122, you should turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting it. This allows the car's onboard diagnostic system to activate all sensors, including the TP sensor A. Next, clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which serves as an essential tool for retrieving and erasing diagnostic trouble codes in Honda vehicles. After clearing the codes, check the parameters related to the throttle position sensor A. Specifically, you should confirm that the TP sensor A voltage is less than 0.3 volts. If the current conditions match this threshold, the fault is confirmed. If not, it may indicate an intermittent failure, suggesting that the system is currently functioning normally. In that case, it would be essential to examine connections or terminals at the throttle body and the engine control module for any loose ends or issues. In the second troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to verifying any additional fault codes that may provide more context. Using the HDS, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs, specifically looking for codes P0122 and P0222. P0222 relates to the TP sensor B circuit and can sometimes indicate issues within the throttle body system. If both codes appear simultaneously, it suggests a correlation worth investigating further. In this case, proceed to step 4. However, if P0122 is found in isolation, you should continue to step 3. Understanding the relationship between various DTCs is crucial to pinpointing the broader electrical failure and efficiently addressing the underlying issue. For step 3, the vehicle should be turned off completely to begin testing for potential shorted wires in the throttle position sensor's THL1 line. With the vehicle in the off mode, you will need to jump the SCS line using the HDS, allowing the system to enter a diagnostic state. Next, disconnect the connectors from both the PCM, powertrain control module, and the throttle body to properly isolate the circuit for testing. Now, focus on checking continuity between test points 1 and 2, specifically the throttle body 6P connector, number 6, and the body ground. Good continuity indicates a short in the wiring rather than a sensor or software issue. And if this is found, repair the short to resolve the DTC. Otherwise, the THL1 wire may be fine, prompting a deeper investigation that could involve software updates or PCM substitution. Step 4 of the troubleshooting process involves checking the voltage supply to the throttle body. Begin by switching the vehicle to the off mode and disconnecting the throttle body 6P connector to isolate the throttle position sensor's wiring. After isolation, turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine to prepare for testing. With the throttle body connector still disconnected, measure the voltage between the specified test points, which includes the throttle body connector number 5 and body ground. If approximately 5.0 volts is measured, this indicates that the voltage supply to the throttle body is intact, leading to a conclusion that the throttle body itself may require replacement. If the voltage is not as expected, it would indicate further issues within the wiring or connections, so further steps should be taken. The final troubleshooting step focuses on checking for open wires in the VCC3 wire circuit. Start by turning the vehicle to the off mode and once again jumping the SCS line using the HDS protocol. Disconnect the PCM connector C51P to perform a thorough continuity check between the specified test points. You need to measure continuity between the VCC3 supply in the PCM at pin number 18 and the throttle body connector number 5. If continuity exists, it indicates that the VCC3 wire is functioning as it should, prompting the need for a PCM software update or substitution for a confirmed functioning unit. On the other hand, if you find no continuity, it confirms an open in the VCC3 wire, necessitating repairs to restore connectivity. Once you have completed the necessary repairs for DTC P0122, it's essential to perform a thorough verification to ensure that the error has been resolved. Start by rechecking for any diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, after making repairs. If DTC P0122 or any related codes appear, it indicates that further investigation is still required. If the codes are cleared without recurrence, proceed to conduct a test drive of the vehicle under various conditions. A proper test drive helps validate that the repairs not only cleared the DTC, but also restored normal throttle operation. It's a crucial step in confirming the vehicle's performance post-repair and ensuring the issue has been fully addressed. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0122 and ensuring optimal performance of the throttle position sensor system. Begin with regular inspections of electrical connections related to the TP sensor and its wiring. Look out for corrosion, which can severely impact conductivity and lead to various issues. Maintaining wiring integrity is also key. This includes checking for any fraying, shorts, or physical damage. Moreover, keeping the PCM software up to date plays a large role, as manufacturers often release updates that resolve bugs or improve vehicle performance. Implementing these practices can help prolong the life of the TP sensor and maintain the overall reliability of the vehicle. In conclusion, DTC P0122 signifies a low voltage condition within the throttle position sensor A circuit in the Honda HRV from 2016 to 2022. Addressing this issue begins with careful diagnostics to identify the source of the voltage drop, whether it be a faulty sensor, poor electrical connections, or wiring problems. Following the systematic troubleshooting steps can lead to accurate identification of the fault and necessary repairs. Furthermore, consistent preventive maintenance can help minimize the risk of reoccurrences. Ultimately, understanding the implications of DTC P0122 can significantly enhance vehicle performance and reliability, ensuring a smoother driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.